Are you ready to discover how exercise improves your brain and motivation? In this video, we'll delve deep into the secrets of how physical exercise not only transforms your physique, but supercharges your mind. We will discover the fascinating connections between neuroscience and fitness, empowering you to unleash your full potential. I am Linda Granfors.
And I am Alessandro Carpentiero. We at Beyond Sapiens help you maximize your human potential by optimizing your mind, body, and work.
First, let's discuss how aerobic exercise impacts your brain volume. This happens through multiple factors that dynamically affect your brain. During training, the increased blood flow and oxygenation not only boost the number of blood vessels in your brain, but also collaborate with the release of remarkable neurotropic factors acting as superheroes that promote the growth and connectivity of neurons in your brain. Simultaneously, aerobic exercise ignites neurogenesis, the creation of new neurons like a burst of fireworks lighting up the night sky. It reduces inflammation and oxidative stress and acts as a protective shield for your brain. These extraordinary processes work together, shaping and nurturing your brain tissue and gradually increasing brain volume. Now, let's discuss the outcomes you will notice with increased brain volume. Firstly, your cognitive functioning improves significantly, enhancing your memory, sharpening your focus, and fueling an insatiable hunger for knowledge. Secondly, your brain's neuroplasticity expands, enabling you to learn new skills and adapt to change more effectively. It's as if you tapped into your brain's extraordinary potential. However, the truly magical aspect is this. Regular aerobic exercise has been shown to reduce the risk of age-related brain volume loss and neurodegenerative conditions. Imagine it as a guardian protecting your mind against cognitive decline and dementia. Yet, it is crucial to acknowledge that each brain is as unique as the individual it belongs to, and the effects of aerobic exercise can vary. Factors such as exercise intensity, duration, frequency, and individual genetics and environmental factors can significantly influence the extent of the observed changes. Therefore, it is essential to note that a single workout alone will not miraculously expand your brain. However, consistent and regular exercise over time can positively impact brain health, gradually contributing to its volume.
We all know how sleep is essential for our overall well-being and brain functioning. But did you know that regular physical activity can profoundly impact the quality of your sleep? Research conducted at the University of Tsukuba in Japan sheds light on this fascinating connection. In this study, a group of healthy young men participated in an experiment to explore the effects of 60 minutes of vigorous exercise on sleep quality. The researchers collected data on physiological and neurological states during sleep, and the findings were remarkable. The results revealed, in fact, that vigorous exercise reduced the time it takes to fall asleep and enhanced the power of brain waves during deep sleep, also known as slow-wave sleep. These quantifiable changes indicated improved sleep quality, including enhanced sleep depth and positive alterations in sleep patterns. To understand this finding's significance, we must remember that sleep is not merely a period of rest, but an active brain processing phase. During sleep, your brain consolidates memory, strengthening and integrating newly acquired information. This consolidation helps you retain what you've learned and improves cognitive function. Furthermore, sleep is crucial in eliminating harmful toxins from the brain, such as beta-amyloid, a protein linked to Alzheimer's disease. Consequently, exercise may reduce the risk of cognitive decline and enhance overall brain health. As demonstrated by the study I mentioned earlier, physical activity also influences sleep patterns. Our body possesses internal clocks called circadian rhythms that regulate our sleep-wake cycles. Regular physical activity helps synchronize and regulate these rhythms, promoting a more consistent and predictable sleep pattern. Based on all this, you would have to agree that exercise goes way beyond simply gaining muscles or losing fat. By making physical activity a part of your daily routine and your own identity, you can optimize your sleep and enhance your overall well-being.
Exercise for sure offers numerous benefits for your overall health, but it also plays a significant role in reducing stress. The fascinating interaction between your body and brain is the key to understanding this phenomenon, as exercise triggers the release of two powerful chemicals, norepinephrine and endorphins. Norepinephrine, both a stress hormone and neurotransmitter, is released in your brain and body during exercise. It plays a crucial role in regulating mood, attention, and arousal levels. By regulating your brain's response to stress, norepinephrine helps shift your attention away from stressors and enhances your ability to cope with them. During exercise, norepinephrine fills your brain, improving cognitive function, promoting alertness and focus, and reducing the activity of the amygdala, a brain region involved in the stress response. As a result, exercise leads to decreased perception of stress, providing you with greater resilience in challenging situations. Endorphins, on the other hand, often referred to as your brain's natural painkillers, are neuropeptides that bind to opioid receptors in your brain. Endorphins are natural pain relievers that create feelings of pleasure and euphoria while reducing discomfort and stress. Exercise triggers a surge of endorphins, leaving you feeling energized, uplifted, and more confident. You can tap into this remarkable source of positivity and mental well-being by engaging in regular physical activities such as brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming. Additionally, mind-body exercises like yoga and pilates combine physical movement with mindful breathing and relaxation techniques, aiding in regulating stress hormones and promoting a sense of calmness and serenity.
Now that you fully understand how exercise can significantly reduce stress by releasing norepinephrine and endorphins, let's explore another fascinating aspect: the connection between exercise and our brain's reward system, specifically dopamine. This neurotransmitter plays a crucial role in processing reward and driving motivation and pleasure. Surprisingly, exercise, no matter how much you dread it, also increases dopamine levels in our brains. To support this, recent research has shed light on the connection between dopamine and exercise. The study revealed that exercise can enhance dopamine signaling in the brain's motor areas. This finding suggests that physical activity promotes heightened dopamine signaling, which supports motor control and plays a role in motivation. So how should you leverage dopamine to increase your motivation to actually work out? You should add variety to your training regimen, exercise with friends or in classes to increase accountability, and creating a random reward system that celebrates milestones can all contribute to maintaining motivation without negatively influencing the habit loop. Just remember that too much of a good thing can also be detrimental. While the increase in dopamine can be a powerful motivator, listening to your body and avoiding excessive or compulsive training that could lead to addiction is essential. Remember, exercise should be a source of enjoyment and benefit, not a cause of harm. To stay away from the risks of overtraining and injury, the most important tip is to always listen to your mind and body. Pushing yourself is the only way to grow and improve. I agree. But if you push yourself too much, the risk of overtraining and injury is always around the corner. So remember to implement rest and recovery practices into your routine to support your journey to sustainable peak performance.
We hope this video has given you new information about why exercise is essential. We are more complex than we understand, so anything and everything we do will have a bigger and more holistic effect on us. This is one of the foundations of our transformative Beyond Sapiens coaching program that sets you on the path to evolving your human potential. If you feel that you could benefit from some guidance or support, we offer a free and non-commitment trial for you to test it out and see if it can be helpful for you. If this sounds interesting, we would love for you to schedule a free call by using the link in the description so that we can get to know you. You can also learn more about us by visiting our website beyondsapiens.co.
And if you want to gain innovative ideas and solutions to maximize your mind, body, and work, please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our weekly science-based videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.